In this video, I am going to show you how you can create catalog for your business in WhatsApp. Let's open the WhatsApp business account app. Tap on the three dot and go to the settings. Here you will find business tool. Tap on business tool. Here you will find business profile and catalog. Tap on catalog. Here you can create catalog for your business. Tap on add new item, add image, go to the image, tap the item name, you can add more field if you want. You can add the link and item code. I don't need this right now, and then tap on save. It will save the item. From here you can easily share. Tap on share link and you can share the link to anyone. You can copy the link, share link to your desired contact or app, and you can send it via WhatsApp business. If you want to add more item, you can tap on add new item. Then again add the image, go to the image, tap the name, type the name, then tap on save. By this way you can create listings for your product in WhatsApp business and easily share with anyone to boost your business. That was our today's video. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching.